Good morning, everyone. You all are welcome in the E-class of Sanskrit. Today, in this class, we will study our chapter 20, Tatheva Tishtati, means it remains as it is. Students, as every fruit has its own taste, similarly, every verse composed by each Sanskrit poet has its own beauty. In this chapter, 6 verses are presented here. So, let's have a look on these verses. Our first verse is Shiksha Chayam Gachati Kalparyaya Subadh Mula Nipatanti Padapaha Jalam Jal Sthanagatam Cha Shushyati Hutam Cha Dattam Cha Tathev Tishtati. This verse is taken from the book Karnabhar written by great poet Bhas. In this verse, the importance of charity and oblation is described. Here, Karna told by his friends the importance of charity when he has stopped by giving his armor and earrings to Indra, who has come in the rescue of Brahmin to take charity. So, let's have a look on translation. With the passage of time, whatever is learnt is lost. The trees having strong roots fall down and water lying in the reservoirs dries up. Whatever is offered as an oblation into the fire and whatever is given in charity remains as it is. Our second verse is Puranam ityev na sadhu sarvam na chapi kavyam navam ityam avadyam santah parikshayantarat bhajante mudah parpratyena buddhi. Students, our second verse is taken from the play Malvika Agnimitram written by great poet Kalidas. This verse intimates that a person without being led by others has to take decision of good or bad thinking himself. Here the qualities of good people and foolish people are also described. The translation is all is not good only because it is old. Similarly, poetic work is not free from fault only because it is new. Good people accept either of the two after testing both. A foolish person's intelligence is led by the opinion of others. Our third verse is Vajradapi kathorani mraduni kusumadapi lokotranam chetansi konu vigyatum aharti. This verse is taken from the book Uttar Ramcharit written by poet Bhabhuti. In this verse, the characteristics of the great person's mind, which shows that the mind of each great person is harder than even thunderbolt, means Vajra, the ball of iron, and softer than even a flower. So, it is very difficult to understand such people's mind. They always behave according to the situations. Our translation is, who indeed can understand fully the mind of the extraordinary persons that are harder than a thunderbolt, softer than flower. Our next verse is Anyas ma alabdha pado nicha praye dussaho bhavati Ravi na dahati tadrag yadrag dahati valunikar. Students, this verse is taken from the famous composition of the great poet Banbhat. In this verse, the nature of a wicked person is described, that how they become unbearable when they got the position or the things when they did not deserve them. The translation of the verse is, a wicked man who has got a high post due to other person generally becomes unbearable. Even the direct sun does not burn as much as a hot sand dune or the heap of hot sand does. Our next verse, verse number 5 is, सुखम ही दुख्यान अनुभूय शोभते घनांधकारे स्वपि दीप दर्शनी सुखातु यो याति नरो दरिद्रताम घतम शरीरेण मृत सजीवति. This verse is taken from the play Mrachkatika, written by great prose writer Shudrak. Here, the effects of the cycle of good and bad times are described. Here, the writer shows the differences in the behavior of the people when they see the happiness after experienced sorrow and who becomes poor after enjoying richness. The translation of verse is, indeed, happiness appears to advantage after having experienced sorrow, like the sight of a lamp in the pitch or dense darkness. A man who becomes poor after enjoying happiness lives like the dead in spite of having a body. Our last verse is verse number 6. सुजनो न याति वैरम परहित निरतो विनाश काले अपि छेदे अपि चंदन तरु सुरभयति मुखम कुठारस्य. Students, this verse is the composition of the poet Ravi Gupta. Here, poet praised the behavior of gentleman. The facts described here are relevant even today. Through the example of X, poet Ravi Gupta highly admired the behavior of a gentleman. The translation of the verse is, a good person engrossed in doing good to others does not bear enmity, even at the time of his death. A sandalwood tree, even when it is cut, makes the edge of the axe fragrant. Students, this is all about the translation of the chapter 20 Tathev Tishtati. Students, verse number 1, 3 and 5 are important for expand the idea or explanation. So, you have to prepare them very well and also note down in your notebook. Write down the translation of all verses in your notebook and question answers. Answers in Sanskrit and answer in English. Thank you.